Welcome to this complete step-by-step guide for marking a professional badminton court. In this video, you will learn how to accurately mark a badminton court according to official BWF measurements. Step 1. Mark the outer boundary. Measure 13.4 meters in length and 6.1 meters in width. Make sure all lines are 40 millimeters wide. Step 2. Mark the net line. Measure 6.7 meters from the baseline. This divides the court into two equal halves. Step 3. Mark the service lines. The short service line is 1.98 meters from the net. The doubles back service line is 0.76 meters from the baseline. Step 4. Diagram. Draw the center lines dividing the service courts. Step 5. Mark the singles side lines. The singles court width is 5.18 meters. Step 6. Check the diagonal measurement. The correct diagonal should be 14.723 meters. Equal diagonals confirm a perfect rectangle. Step 7. Final inspection. Verify all lines and measurements carefully. Your badminton court is now ready for play. Thank you for watching.